What's up, guys? I'm gonna be taking you through a life and a day of me. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own you. I just wanna know what it feels like to have your body so close. Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. I just wanna know what you look like without a weight on your soul. I know somewhere we could get away. If you wanna find another place, love, disappear and never leave a trace. I'll take you anywhere you want. So let me decide.
Oh, I need this. I don't know, man. Dude, you actually look like a chick, bro. Oh shit. Respect, bro. To the fiery light. I know somewhere we could get away. If you wanna find another place, love, disappear and never leave a trace. I'll take you anywhere you want. So let me disarm you. There's an army I'm fighting around your heart. Let me disarm you. 'Cause baby, I just wanna
What's up, guys? I just thought I'd give you a quick commentary to kind of just go over the whole video. So we woke up early in the morning to go to a car show. It was called Cars and Coffee. I was expecting more there, but since the weather was extremely cold, there wasn't very many cars. After that, we did a bet, and as you saw in the video, my cousin lost, so he had to dress as a girl with the wig and makeup and do the whole workout with it. So within the workout or during the workout, we did 6 movements. The first movement was a bent over T-bar row. I was really trying to really get the stretch on my back by letting the weight fully relax and pulling through with my elbows. The next was a high cable row, really just staying relaxed, keeping that core tight and pulling through with the elbows, really going towards that mid section of the chest to really contract the back. After that was a wide grip lat pull down to really work on the width. Same concept, really pulling towards the upper chest. After that, we did a wide grip row, really pulling towards the elbow to get the full contraction on your lats and also the mid portion of your back. After that, we did a seated cable row, pulling towards the belly button again, driving through the elbows though. And the last movement was a hammer strength low row, and that concludes the whole workout. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.